Hi everyone! Welcome to Kanta Aesthetics YouTube channel. I'm Lisa, and today, we're excited to introduce you to our latest cutting-edge product, the Fractional CO2 Laser Machine Prime. If you're in the beauty industry or a clinic owner looking to elevate your treatments, this machine is a game changer. In this video, we'll guide you through the installation process and take a close look at the intuitive interface, so you can get the most out of this powerful technology. Whether you're new to laser treatments or an experienced professional, this machine is designed for ease of use, safety, and exceptional results. Let's dive in and get you set up with the Fractional CO2 Laser Machine Prime. Ready? Let's get started. We start by installing the machine. This is the light guide arm of the machine. This is the vaginal treatment probe of the machine. This is the foot pedal. This is the power cable of the machine. These are the glasses that the client wears. This is the machine's key switch. This is the Fractional CO2 Laser Probe. This is the water filling funnel for the machine. This is the main unit of the machine. Open the installation cover for the light guide arm. Insert the light guide arm vertically. Tighten the light guide arm. The light guide arm is now installed. Next, install the Fractional CO2 Laser Probe. Open the cover. Install the Fractional CO2 Laser Probe onto the light guide arm. Fix the Fractional CO2 Laser Probe cable onto the light guide arm. Insert the air tube. This is the back of the machine. When adding water, first open the first water inlet. Open the second overflow hole. The third hole is the drainage hole. Connect the funnel and start adding water. Add water until it flows out from the second hole, which indicates that the water is full. Remove the funnel. After adding water, keep the first and second holes open to allow airflow inside the machine. Install the foot pedal. Insert the power cable into the machine. Machine interface overview. Insert the key to power on the machine. This is fractional mode. This is gyne mode. This is pulse mode. This is vulva mode. Let's first enter fractional mode. Here, you can choose the image to operate on the skin. Numbers 1 to 5 are quick parameter save modes. This is the pattern height adjustment. The maximum is 20 millimeters. This is the pattern width adjustment. The maximum is 20 millimeters. Adjust the treatment area size according to the client's actual treatment needs. Duration controls the laser's dwell time on each point during the scan, with a maximum of 99.9 milliseconds. Time controls the number of scans. The maximum is 10 times. Power adjusts the laser output power. The maximum can be adjusted to 60 W. Density controls the spacing between each laser point. Adjusting this can control the density of the laser matrix. Scan mode controls the scanning mode. Normal mode. The scan points are done sequentially from one side to the other. Random mode. The scan points are performed in no particular order, randomly. Medium mode. The scan points are spaced half the distance of the next scan point along the same line. Interval controls the time gap between each scan point, with the maximum adjustable to 9.9 seconds. Red indicator brightness adjusts the brightness of the aiming light. PRVEIEW shows the preview of the pattern. Ready. After adjusting the parameters, press the Ready button, align the scanner, and step on the foot pedal to initiate the laser scan. Medium mode. Random mode. Normal mode. Pulse mode. CW mode is continuous mode. Pulse is pulse mode. Repeat pulse is the repeat pulse mode. Ultra pulse is the ultra pulse mode. Power adjusts the laser output power. The maximum can be adjusted to 60 W. T-on adjusts the pulse width. TOFF adjusts the interval time. Numbers 1 to 5 are quick parameter save modes. Red indicator brightness adjusts the brightness of the aiming light. Remove the fractional CO2 laser probe. Install the pulse probe. Connect the air tube. The pulse probe is now installed. Test the operation. Install the vaginal treatment probe. Gyne mode. This is the Gyne mode operation interface. Here, you can choose the image to operate on the skin. Numbers 1 to 5 are quick parameter save modes. Lines controls the number of scan lines, with a maximum of 20 lines. Density controls the spacing between each laser point. Adjusting this can control the density of the laser matrix. Duration controls the laser's dwell time on each point during the scan, with a maximum of 99.9 milliseconds. Interval controls the time gap between each scan point. Power adjusts the laser output power. Time controls the number of scans. Vulva mode. This is the vulva mode operation interface. Here, you can choose the image to operate on the skin. Numbers 1 to 5 are quick parameter save modes. Power adjusts the laser output power. Density controls the spacing between each laser point. Adjusting this can control the density of the laser matrix. Duration controls the laser's dwell time on each point. Time controls the number of scans. Reset, use the up and down arrows to adjust the pattern vertically, and use the left and right arrows to adjust the pattern horizontally. Interval controls the time gap between each scan point. And that's a wrap. You've just seen how simple it is to install and navigate the interface of our fractional CO2 laser machine Prime. We hope this video gave you the confidence to bring this amazing technology into your clinic or spa. With its advanced features and user-friendly design, this machine is your perfect partner for offering premium skin rejuvenation and resurfacing treatments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to stay updated on all our latest product demos, tips, and expert advice from Kanta Aesthetic. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, and we'll be happy to assist you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.